My name's Dave and welcome back to the Driver's Lounge. This is episode 4 of the AE86 project car build, and in today's video we're going to be talking about one of the final pieces of the puzzle left in order to finish the bodywork on this thing and really get it ready for paint. So what I'm up to at the moment is I am actually pulling the strips off of the doors, the body strips that run along here. They're off, both the doors, but basically when I've pulled them off, it's left a whole really uneven sort of surface, and I want to get it as smooth as I can. So I'm filling them and I'm getting them ready to have the strips put back on once the car's painted. The first time I decided to paint this car, I actually did a massive mistake and painted it with a roller brush, and it was a really rush job. It was just to try and get it to look a bit different, but I instantly regretted it, and at the time I didn't take the door handles out, so I need to take them out today. I've already got that one out, that's all sorted. Takes 2 seconds and it will make for a way better paint job than what was on it already. Go over, sand that flat, and hopefully I won't have to do another level of bog. If I do, whatever. If not, I'm going to go over the rest of the panel and make sure there's no dents I can find, and that should be Mickey Mouse. So I've removed with the wire brush on the drill all the little hard bits of paint to get to, all the hard to get bits of paint, around the door lock and the door handle. I'm going to do it on that one as well, just so I know it's 100% and the paint will be nice and finished there, which is important because it's somewhere that you always see it because you're looking at the door handle. I've also sanded all this off and it's nice and flat, and I'm happy with it. They are pretty much ready to be primed. I've got to tidy up a few little bits on the edge of that one, and that is good to go. I'm really happy with the outcome of them. They're super smooth. All the little dents that I had on it are filled, and this car is going to look really, really good. I'm so excited. I'm glad that I've done this properly, taken out all the old paint. I think this is just about that. Is pretty much the conclusion of part 4 of the AE86 project. It's not looking like much at the moment, but there's been a whole heap of effort put into the body on this car, and it's actually a massive weight off my shoulders to actually think, as far as I know, unless I sleep tonight and think of something else, that the bodywork on this car is done. So what's next? I am living in Queensland in Australia, and I think that all businesses are pretty much gone into lockdown. So I'm going to have to find out how I can get a hold of some primer. I've already got most of it. What I do need is another paint gun. So I'm going to try and organize something like that, maybe off Facebook Marketplace, get it sent to me or something. And then I can pretty much set this shed up as a paint booth, and I can get to working on basically doing the final prep for the paint and painting this thing. So I'm super excited. It's been a massive journey. I hope you guys have sort of gotten a little bit out of it and you've seen the work that I've put into this car. I love this car to pieces, but I've got some big plans, and I think that, who knows what will happen, who knows. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode, which is part 5. And as always, leave a comment what you think. I love to hear, love to read everything from you guys. We've got, I think, 550 subs now, which is crazy. So hopefully, yeah, we can continue to grow and we can experience it together. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Cheers.